How to change Facebook profile picture. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you are in the home page of Facebook like this, you'll be able to see the various options in the upper section, and also you'll be able to explore the various newsfeed or the posts on your screen. So in order to change your Facebook profile picture, you need to tap on your profile at the left hand side of the upper section. And from over here you will be able to see your profile and some of your details. So as a further process, you have to tap on your profile option, and once you do that, you will be popped up with this information. You have to simply go for select profile picture option, and here will be the list of pictures from your gallery. So you have to select the picture that you want to set as your profile picture, and once you do that, you'll be opened up to this interface. So here if you want to crop, then you can go for this crop option at the left hand side, and from over here you can adjust. You can also add the stickers, text and doodle. Once you are done editing, you can go for done option at the right upper corner. And further, if you want to make this profile picture temporary, you can tap on make temporary option, and you can keep the profile picture for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or you can also customize this. And if you want to add frames of Facebook, you can simply tap on the add frame option, and here are the various frames you can try it. You can also insert the caption on your profile picture. For that, you can simply tap on the text field and write something that you want. And if you want to share update of your profile picture to newsfeed, then you can check mark over here. If you don't want, simply select that and you have to tap on save option at the right upper corner. And after doing that, you can see the profile picture has been changed. So this is how you change profile picture on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.